The following video is a MAZAK VCN 410A CNC Vertical Machining Center. Serial number is 178488. Chris is going to run a brief demonstration for you today.
All right, we're going to quickly run through the axis. There's our X. Back and forth there, nice and smooth. Our Y. Our Z. We'll go ahead and do a couple tool changes. So an NDI. Cable's hidden out of the way. No more. So, technical one. Alright, we'll go right to the spindle test. That is 1,000 RPM, 2,000 RPM, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 RPM. Don't stop it there because we don't have a tool in there right now. But pretty much it. You want to check the stick conveyor. Turn that on. Alright. That's off.
Again, the preceding video was a MAZAK Nexus 410A CNC Vertical Machining Center.